This is a new way of editing for me, and I'm going to be experimenting. This here is a project that I feel I'm kind of wasting my time, but I'm playing a little bit of taking down this old house, mostly by myself with my equipment and trying to salvage some of it. But this is probably it's about 2 hour and 18-minute video of me tearing off the roof, or part of the roof. And if we speed through this, you can kind of see that's what I did throughout the day. This here's kind of the end. When I said I had enough. So here I'm starting out. I'm grabbing a hold of my ladder and gonna rip off this part of the house up here, or just try to separate the roof from the side wall. This doesn't go quite as well as I'd hoped, but I'm not sure what I was expecting anyways. Never really done this, and trying not to waste too much time, but at the same time trying to semi-salvage some of it. So it's kind of interesting. As I do this, I can kind of see how much time I wasted. Now it looks like I'm at the 4-minute mark, and I'm heading in there trying to loosen it up from the inside so I can get it to separate. So it looks like I spent almost 10 minutes in there working it by hand, trying to separate it. So yeah, I just gave it one last push. Now I'm relocating the ladder so I can put a cut on the wall, or cut down the roof. Here, this is one area where I really messed up. I used too small of a cable, and I ran a cable down in there to use a beam to kind of support, and drilled a couple holes in the roof so I could throw a cable around it, try to use the excavator to pull the whole thing apart. Later you'll see that the cable just kind of breaks. Here I'm using cordless saw to just try to put a cut down the roof. It did it. It took a little while. Alright, here's, I guess I try to loosen up the roof by picking up and lowering it down. It's not really going all that well. Already giving up on it. Oh yeah, I guess I'm taking the skid loader, jumping in the skid loader and bringing it around the back. Oh, I know what I'm doing now. I was wondering for a minute. You still gotta cut away the top of the rafter up in here. So I'm positioning skid loader so I can do that. Here I go, jumping in again, so I get some real movement. And I guess this is where I busted the cable. I'm not exactly sure how I busted the cable. And now my point of lifting with the excavator is done. I never get it back. I just a little bit pissed at this point. I was hoping to be able to lift it all off. But I guess it didn't happen. Alright, now I guess I'm a little pissed, and I'm getting ready to making sure my little doggy Little dog wants to come up and check out what's going on. She actually kind of listens here. Eventually. Got the ambulance going down the street. She gets smart, moves away. I'm really kind of end up just breaking it up right now and just trying to get it done a little bit quicker. Alright, what am I going to do next? Probably, I think I just get the excavator all the way out of here. I'm trying to figure out what to do. Schnoodle's trying to help. Alright, I'm getting the excavator out of there finally. The screen recording editing is actually working halfway decent. I wish I had a little bit more skills, but I'm kind of rushing through this a little bit. I probably could spend more time with the editor too. I probably could spend less time tearing this house down and just beat the crap out of it. But I keep playing with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this piece of roof once I get it down anyways. But I am kind of bummed. I was hoping it would come off as one piece a little bit easier. Now I'm wondering what I'm doing next. Here comes Schnoodle. Oh, I'm going to come push it from the back. Start the recording again. I don't know what much going. Oh, yep, here it goes. It's starting to push out the front wall. Can't see much because that wall's in the way. I've got the skid loader back there pushing. Well, I bumped that. I guess as I'm getting impatient with doing the editing now, so I think if I actually wanted to spend just a little bit more time, I could play around. It's going to be interesting for me to watch this back and just see how well I've stopped and started and the screen captures. You spend quite a bit of time getting the perfect spot to start and stop. especially with this 2-hour video, because it's hard to get the right minute down. Like just a minute or so ago, I messed up and trying to move the screen around, and I changed the timeline. I had to refine what I was doing, but yeah, this is sort of an experiment. I'm probably just going to run with it and post this one. So I'm posting something on the house. I can spend hours and hours editing, which is, until I'm a professional YouTuber, I'm shortcutting my editing, and this is the first time I'm trying this way of editing, and it's going to take this 2-hour video and knock it down into a few minutes. Hopefully I'm getting most of the interesting parts. Let's speed this along a little bit. Alright, I'm going to keep running this for a second. Hopefully I'm at the good part. It's really hard to start and stop the screen recorder at the same time. It drags the process out. Ripping down the front wall at the same time. There we go. I'll zoom way back out. Ah, didn't mean to touch that. That's actually interesting. Didn't know what I just did there. I wish I could re-hit the same spot. Yeah, how am I doing this? Well, here I'm learning right on the video. I don't know what I'm doing actually to do this, but maybe not. Maybe I'll get a little bit more skilled at this at some point. -5, 7, 8, 10, 15 seconds. Huh. All right, I'm going to let it play. See, I can screen capture my learning of using the screen capture edit. Let's see if we can do this again. Gosh, I'm still not sure how I did it. Alright. So now I guess you got me learning how to screen capture edit and learning down to take down a house. I'm not sure I'm really good at either one. But I'm playing and having fun. So it looks like I just kind of stab and hold with the pen, and then I can run this. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, that's back to where I don't want to mess up my hydraulic hoses. Fortunately, I didn't hurt anything. Yeah, I guess I'm done for the day here. Packing it up, putting it away. Getting better at this. Moving the video around too. So I'm using S22 Ultra. What am I doing here? Finding junk laying around. And using the S Pen it's moving the screen around. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I'm not even... I pause this because I'm wasting... I thought I had it figured out how to use the pen to move the timeline, but I guess I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm about to finish up the video. hopefully it comes out good enough, and I'm happy enough just to post this, because I don't want to spend a whole lot more time on this and go back to bed and rest up to finish taking more of the house down tomorrow. Alright, well, this is a different kind of video. Learning 2 different things at once: how to tear down a house by yourself and video edit it using screen capture. Yeah, moving my truck up. Nope, hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually a little bit longer than I thought, almost 16 minutes now, I think. I think it's what it's telling me right up here. I've screen recorded for almost 16 minutes, so if you hung around this long, hopefully you enjoyed this unusual video and learning and growing my channel. So please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm Brad. I'm out for now.